Hi kids, I'm Kev from Taupō District Libraries, and today we're going to look at some famous astronomy words, the vocabulary. And today's special word is... Let's get started, shall we? The Penrose process has nothing to do with a pen or a rose, but it is a process astronomers know that refers to extracting energy from a spinning black hole. Black holes are like vacuum cleaners in space, without the extension cord. The process involves sending an object into the rim of the black hole, going against its rotational direction, in which the object splits, sending part into the hole and the other away to escape with extracted energy from the ordeal. Black holes suck everything into them. Penrose himself was an English mathematician who coined the theory in the late 1960s to use black holes for energy. Theoretically, I'll stick to batteries, thanks.